Hey everybody. So last time we got these tabs working. So this time we're going to build a component for our camera settings to be built out in. And then maybe we'll also, depending on time, we might also set up the interfaces for our camera. I'm actually kind of excited about this because I'm looking forward to seeing the difference between the two different kinds of cameras. But anyways, without further ado, I'll go into the package.json. I'll create a one-time use command. Let's see, camera manager, camera M. Let's see, ng generate component camera manager, and save that. Go into another command prompt and run it. npm run camera M, and we're off. And there we go. And now, oh, you know what? That is not all right. Let's delete that. This used to actually be harder to do back when there was modules. All right, we want that to be inside of the toolbox. Let's go ahead and try that again. And boom. Now, so now we need to import this guy into our standalone component. And boom. And then we'll get our help. You know, I guess I have to have that in there. Boom. And we probably should put this on multiple lines. It's getting a bit out of control. There we go. That looks a little better. Now that we have it, we can grab our selector name and we'll go into here, y'all, and we will replace coming soon with our camera manager. Yeah. Camera manager works. Woohoo! All right. So that's cool. We still have 6 minutes. So probably the next step would be to go into our mesh, our interfaces. I guess we need to create a new interface. That makes sense. And then we probably need to create a roll up. And then with our roll up, we can import. No, we probably don't need to create a roll up. So let's see. Okay, so now we need to go back into our package, JSON, and so we're going to call this camera I for interface, which generate interface, and then toolbox, and we don't want toolbox, we want interface, and then camera interface. And we'll run that. Camera I. And that was interface, or was it interfaces? Oh, it's interfaces. so now we have our camera interface. And so we have our mesh interface. So we probably want to sort of just, I don't know why, just copy this just to ensure that we have, well, I mean, we already have that. Okay, so camera has, okay, so we need to look over in our service and see what kind of things our camera has. Okay, oh, that's kind of a bummer. I was hoping the perspective camera would be like a setting, so that makes that a little more complicated. So let's see what we do with our camera. So there's 9 instances of camera. Okay, so we do the setup camera. Is there anything else after that? No, this is everything. Okay, so we have this number. We have this number, this number, and this number, and X, Y, and Z. So, okay, so let's mouse over this. So this first thing is called the remarks. Together defines camera. Oh, the FOV. Okay, so we're just going to call that FOV. And that is a number. And then let's see what else we got. Let's see. We've got our aspect, which is also a number. And we also have a far, which is a number. And I guess that's everything. Well, okay, there's 4 things here. Oh, aspect, far, oh, near and far. Why don't I see near up there? Oh, okay, I see near now. Okay, aspect, near, and far. Okay. Aspect, the number, near, which is a number, and far, which is a number. And that is good. And then we used the camera. Let's see, let me go back over here. We ended up using the camera down here, I think. Let's see, Control F. Camera. There we go. So when we render it along with the scene. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so camera is kind of a standalone thing. I think it's not really part of the scene or anything, so which I guess makes sense. I guess. Anyways, okay, and then we also have, oh yeah, in my other one I didn't use commas, so I'm not going to use commas here. We also have XPOS, which is a number. YPOS, which is a number. And ZPOS, which is a number. And that is our interface, and that should do it. Next time what we'll do is we will go ahead and start populating this with a form, and then once we populate the form, we'll update the 3 services with some camera, like a function to update the camera. Anyways, that should do it, and I need to figure out a way to use the different types of cameras, because I think that would be a lot better. Anyways, that will do it. We're out of time. Happy coding. Bye.